Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome to Crafty Liz Creations YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a felt flower center in brown. You're going to need 2 pieces of this 9 by 13 felt, 2 pieces. This is what we'll be making. So I'll be showing you how to make that. What I do to make this is I'm going to be folding it over in 3s, fold it over again. So I make three sections, and here I cut the scissors and I cut it. Okay, cut the other side. Cut. And I do the same thing with the other piece. Fold it over in 3 sections. Fold it over again, and I cut. Okay, so just cut that up. This is an inexpensive way to make a flower center. Cut that up. Okay, make sure they're lined up here. There we go. All right, so that's done. So here it is again. So what I do here now is I'm going to be adding some glue. Hope my glue is heated up. I'll be adding some glue right there. Okay. Add some glue. Fold it. Line it up and fold it. I do I do this to all the other pieces there as well. So I'll fold it over. Okay. Put that aside to dry and go on to the next piece. So I'll fast forward this part here so you don't have to watch over and over what I do. So I'll be doing the same thing with the other pieces there, okay? This is the last one. So put that aside. And we'll be needing our glue again. But first, I'd like to show you how I get all those little fringes up in there. What I do is I cut little fringes about that much, leaving about half an inch of this part of here. So I'm cutting about almost an inch to make that little fringe. Just cut. So it's about that. Those are about that wide, as you can see. Cut. All right. There we go. Keep cutting until you get to the end. Alrighty. there you have it. These can be a little narrower if you want. They can be that big. It's up to you. So, but put that aside, and I'll work on the other ones. And this will be, I'll fast forward this part here. Okay, that's the last one. So here we have our 6 pieces of the fringed flower centers. So there's 6 pieces. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start putting some glue on the part that I didn't cut up, on the top part here. I'm gonna start adding some glue. Some glue. Start with a little bit. Just start rolling it up. Making sure these edges are lined up. Roll it in. Here you can use your little rubber fingertip thingies. I don't know where I put mine. Okay, just keep adding the glue. And keep rolling. Okay. Maybe hold it a little bit here, so you can see that it's already starting to form. Okay, keep going. Oh, my glue stick is not on right. Here we go. All right, so we keep adding the glue, keep rolling it up. Make sure it's lined up. Okay. And hold it for a few seconds. Okay, so I'll just start with this one again. So when I start with this one here, I'm gonna overlap this part right here. Overlap it a little bit. Okay, just a little, about that much. That much right there. Overlap it and then start gluing. Okay, make sure it's lined up with the other one there. Hold it a little bit. All right, sorry for the noise upstairs. This is all, everybody's up right now, so. And then we start wrapping it up again, making sure we line up this part here, and we keep going until we finish that up. And here, okay. So here I'll fast forward this part until I get to the end. Okay, just finishing up this last one here now. Just keep rolling it up. Okay, put some more glue on here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you got all these glue strings going on here. Make sure your mat is, you don't have glue on your mat. Maybe be protected with something else when you do this. Okay, there it is. There's your center. Felt center, the most inexpensive center there is. All done. And what you can do after you're done, I'll put this aside and I'll work on this right here. What you can do here is grab a piece of other felt. It doesn't matter what color because it's going to be hidden in the back. What you can do here is when you add your pipe cleaner for attachment, add glue right in there and just put this right there. Okay, let it dry. And then I can just add more glue up in here so I can attach this white part for protection and to keep that pipe cleaner in place. Just add it in there like that. Add some more glue if you want. There we go. Okay, and let that dry. And once it's dry, you can twist your pipe cleaner. But this is not quite dry yet, but... And then here you can just twist your pipe cleaner. And then you'd use this for your flower centers. So this measures out to be about, just over 4 inches in diameter. So it's just perfect little flower center that you can make. You can make them as big or as small as you want. It's up to you. So there it is. There's our flower center. And after, you can always pull out your glue strings so they won't sew. So there's the flower center. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and for more how-to videos like this.